Welcome my friends to Gaming Fin, your go-to channel for everything related to the gaming business, the gaming industry and finances, my friends. So on this channel, guys, we talk about the stock market, especially with regards to the gaming companies, to crypto, to NFTs, etc. All those amazing new developments in the financial in the financial world actually, and also in the gaming world. And I'm absolutely sure, guys, that you're going to see also big opportunities there. So before I start with my video today, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a retail investor, a YouTuber. And always make up your own research and blah blah blah. You know the story. Don't buy anything that I'm talking about. So guys, let's jump directly into my video and why I'm making this video today. We see a very nice little push today in Activision Blizzard, my friends. Activision Blizzard, disclaimer as well, I am invested, and I'm also going to talk about Zynga, Take-Two, CD Projekt and Ubisoft a little bit later. They are not so performing so good, so it's actually amazing what Activision Blizzard is having today for a little push. So this is actually also since already the 2nd of December we saw like the bottoming of maybe the bottom of Activision Blizzard at around about 56 57 US dollars, and now we're at 67. So well, this is of course here in interval of 1 day and per 1 day. So here the 50-day moving average seems to be broken here. But is this sustainable? Guys, I can't tell you. Of course, I can't tell you. So I said once, if we break through here, maybe I'm putting some more money in. I'm already quietly good invested in Activision Blizzard, so I'm keeping my hands still. I always say you need to be very well diversified with your portfolio. And today, actually, the overall market today is not so positive. Therefore, I'm so surprised, guys, that Activision Blizzard has this nice pump back. But yeah, look back in 2019, my friends. So what we had here, 2019, we had always some tiny little pushes back. Like for example, if we look here, so yeah, here probably everyone thought like, okay, now we're through it. So the 50-day moving average, actually here they broke not through, but at this point they broke through and they were always coming back a bit. So don't worry if you're missing now this year, if you're missing this little bull run, which is actually a substantial little bull run, I would say, from 7, 8, 9. $10, so that's actually pretty good, 15%, something like this. So that's actually substantial, but I'm sure, guys, maybe it might also be a little short squeeze. So I'm sure we see also a little drawback on this in Activision Blizzard. So, but in general, I would say we are starting to create some sort of support, and we're creating some nice sideways movement eventually, and this means I'm always bullish on the sideways movements. So this is then for me the moment where I invest a little bit more. Like for example here in Activision, when I was investing at this time frame from like October to a whole year time frame. So you need patience, guys. So I'm not here like Wall Street bets. I'm not YOLOing money options or something like this. So, and on my channel we talk about long-term investments, a bit swing trading, but that's it. So you need this is 1 year. This is 1 year, guys. So this is 1 year. So keep in mind that this can go on another year. This can go on another year. And why is it going on another year, guys? Look at this here. So Kotaku, a very famous online newspaper that talk about the gaming industry, especially. Look what they created. They create a whole section only for Activision Blizzard, my friends. A whole section only for Activision Blizzard, how bad the company is and what the company did all wrong. And it's crazy. It's crazy. I mean, so look at this. Look at this. I'm showing you this here. So who is it? So everything that has happened since Activision Blizzard lawsuit was filed. Look at this, guys. So I mean, they really think they get a lot. I guess they create some traffic for the page for this. So I'm not saying I'm not supporting what happened in Activision Blizzard. I really want to make this here clear. I really not support this, but I think the way how you can deal with issues like this is more on a criminal lawsuit. So you go to the courtrooms, you go to the prosecutors, etc. That's how you deal with it. So I'm a lawyer myself. I told you this already in previous videos, so of my old channel. So that's how you deal with this. So you don't have to create this big fuss. I mean, Kotaku, all respect for the information you're collecting, but that's amazing. So, but if you're interested in this, if this is holding you back from investing, I understand this, guys. So I understand this. You want actually the situation to settle a little bit, but I read through this complete masterpiece here of collection. So yeah, I'm putting you a link there. Check it out, definitely. I read it through, and yeah, I was not amused. I was not pleased. I thought, like, that's not really cool what's going on there from time to not going on there, or what was going on there, let's put it like this. I didn't think it's cool at all. But on the other hand, I'm a bit more, what I don't like is that the developers are leaving the companies, and I think it's also very difficult to get some good new people. So I'm a Call of Duty player, I love Call of Duty, therefore I hope that they keep also some of the good developers. So of course everyone is free to leave and to create their own companies, of course they are. So, but in general, I would say therefore I'm personally holding back now to invest a little bit more. I'm observing this because I'm considering what is going on with the situation. It's got a bit calmer. I expect it to fall at least again to the 60, 50, the high 50s dollar range. So I'm a bit reluctant to go now much more in. But this is because I already have a substantial percentage of my portfolio. I think it's like 2-3% in Activision. Alright guys, so, but I think we should also talk a little bit about some other gaming companies like Zynga very shortly. Zynga is also, I'm also invested, so they are missing always their earnings, and they have still negative revenues. So the average analyst price tag is at 10.62, currently at 6.54, and they are overweight neutral. So they also suffered a huge drawback actually from €10.84 to, let's say, $6. Sorry, not euros, dollars, so 40%. So I was like at 70-50 or something I was buying in, but overall I see that they are creating a nice sideways movement, so they nicely bottoming out the whole yeah, from a technical point of view it looks good. So therefore I bought a little bit more today at 6.50, and I consider also buying a bit more in the future when they're even falling, maybe even if they fall a bit back to the $5 range. So this would still hurt, but I'm in the long term, I think online mobile phone games are still important. So, and then another stock today, my friends, is definitely, let's open the chart of Take-Two Interactive. I think I talked about Take-Two already, was it yesterday? Yeah, probably I talked about yesterday. So overall, not a lot changed today, so still sideways movement. So we're between the 215 and 150. So if you can stomach this volume, so yeah, I would say there are some chances now. So I'm at the moment, I'm also have already a good position in Take-Two Interactive. I'm waiting for a new Grand Theft Auto, and if this comes out, then probably is then too late if you invest at the moment the announcement is out. Probably the stock will then raise like 10-15% or 20%, because it depends also on the overall market situation. But therefore, I'm waiting. Maybe they fall again to 165. When they fall again to the low range of this sideways movement here, I'm definitely buying a little bit more. Yeah, guys, CD Projekt. For CD Projekt, I mean, the chart looks beautiful. It's a beautiful chart, my friend. So, but as I said, you need a very long term perspective here, and the volatility is also very high, between 212 and also 170 or even 150 zlotys. That's not dollars, so zlotys, but doesn't matter if it's not dollar or zloty, doesn't have an impact. So if you look now, it's a nice sideways movement, but overall it looks, it's a nice upward trend, a very slow nice upward trend with a substantial sideways movement. So those are the moments Those are the moments where you buy normally more in the stock. That's it. So you don't buy the stock when it's at 460 zloty. So you don't buy it there, guys. You buy it when it's falling, when it's moving sideways, because you expect the future to be brighter. So keep this in mind, my friends. Keep this in mind. So don't buy stocks only because they go up. Buy stocks also when they're falling. So I'm not saying now buy a CD Projekt. As I said, make your own research, and it is hard. It hurts. Sometimes you lose really a lot of money per day, depending on your percentage if you are invested in. But sometimes it's just you see slowly it's improving. So that's it, guys. So, and then another stock I'm also invested in. So I'm invested in all of stocks I just talked about. So another stock I'm invested in is Ubi. I talked about this already. Ubisoft is going a little bit into the crypto space, a bit NFT here and there. And they're extremely unpopular at the moment. Oh my god, they're so unpopular at the moment. So what happened with Ubi? But we also are back. We also are back to kind of oh, I have to make this chart actually bigger, guys. I have to show you this chart bigger. So let's see. That's a good chart. So always I use Yahoo Finance because they have directly the numbers there, and they're easy and easy to take in. So we are at the moment there where Ubisoft has been in 2017. So we are pretty down. So at the moment I'm not buying more. At the moment I'm holding my fingers. I have enough now. I have enough Ubi. But I would say, guys, if we break through the 39 euros, I think it's euros, yes, it's traded in Paris. If we come to the 30 range, so it's 12 euros and 85 cents left, and we're at the bottom from somewhere back in 2016, guys. So if we're falling to this range, like this, from a technical point of view, and we can hold the range, then it's definitely for me where a moment I buy a bit more. But at the moment the chart looks really bad, so very small tranches I go in. Very small tranches. How you say in French? Des tranches. Alright, guys. I want to leave it here, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did so make sure to comment, like and subscribe, and of course subscribe to my Gaming Fin channel. Those videos are unedited. I don't edit my videos. I don't have time for this. But if you enjoy, if you appreciate this way of producing videos, then feel free to come back to my channel. So, and then I would say I'm leaving it here and wish you a wonderful evening. See you next time. Bye bye.